Don't forget the Big Bad Cookout August 16. Menu coming soon. Bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bang, bing, bing. Oh, every subscriber, every man, yeah. Big up on yourself. Yeah, man. Greetings again. Some don't know. Some in the city vlog. You know say a vibe. Yeah. I bring you through some vibes again. You know what go on? Down at Verna Bar. But something go on. Stay tuned on the vlog for see it. And Dodger also have a story to tell you. Look out.
Yeah.
This
Hold
is.
on. The phone locker.
Yes.
And the phone just make nice.
You ring.
And what's this?
Hey, the opinion, you know. But look how me I come out and left them.
Nah, sure. Hold on the phone. See that?
I hope we can solve this mystery.
Don't say I can't solve that mystery. Yeah. I have to call Scooby-Doo and the crew.
Don't know.
You're ready?
No, but you hear me ask. You never see me show the phone. I wanted to charge it. Nothing not going on for it.
Let's get back to it, yeah. So, because I feel like a Shan, you know, is Shan offend some spirit. Yeah. Shan always offend you.
I have no marketing.
Alright, I'll defend you. I'll defend you. I want to defend you both though.
You have to know what to say if you get defeated.
We have to plan it out.
The papa them always attack me.
Alright, me attack them back.
You
But me
are
I say-
always attacking us.
And then
We are just
we
reactive.
try to say Sparta.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The
Deal with it.
gaslighting is
Jump on
real.
The next side.
Alright.
The
Anna,
gaslighting is real. Okay? It's real. Gaslighting is real.
Now me convinced there's something wrong, you know. Cause Verna dead phone ring and now Shan phone dead they put on lock and everything and you just hear start play music on YouTube.
Spirits. Shan offended a spirit to hear.
But not really.
Oh, what happened just now?
Oh, that
It's Shan.
do. Oh.
I know we can't even see the video. We can't see the video. Wait, go on.
What is? If one never lock.
How which one? This?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
That lock too.
Wait.
No. And just play music? Oh, I understand.
Now me start feel hot.
Concerned. I'm quite concerned. I'm concerned.
Whenever I want up there,
Alright, full. Oh, me look on the phone up on Instagram.
so on Instagram, that was the last app.
A WhatsApp. Yeah.
Alright, so
Wow.
inside. Some serious about the actually. Beautiful. Good. A good spirit.
You better walk back. You better walk back with you go. Because this can't read.
No, but seriously, real. Me, I want that for real. Like,
See that phone dead for true.
God, we're ready for play. Shana, we come for no.
Sparta, it's serious.
If you never run out of gas yet, you don't start drive car yet.
Run out of gas. I have to load up.
I don't talk about my bucket top funnel here.
serious, brother. That's why I'm saying I'm rating my kill skills. Not even mosquito could have passed it. Yes, sir. I mean, I say, hold on there. No man, I see that. Not even spot, I see that. Mosquito get a scene to remember when him dead and gone. Brother Sparta, one of the wickedest thing, dog. I tell him, yo. So when I see man walk up to you all and go so. Man, serious like when they get life sentence, brother. So what should I do? Man, still a tournament, brother. I mean, I say, hold on there. Somebody must see that mosquito there, bro. And unfortunately, the mosquito end up in that scene to the next scene. I mean, I say, it's chaos part of this. You see me, the man take him job serious, bro. May I tell you, nobody can cross it, not even mosquito to rat it, may I tell you. It is what it is, it's bartender or the agency. Or the agency? Agency, no. Agency? The man serious in job, brother. I see a while ago about them, I said, no, don't do it away. Bosso. Yo, that here's a plug out. For some strange reason, brother, I can't hold a straight face, man, when it's part of the front of my man. I remember when I must have it by the man's face, brother.
So Daja tell me, say, me not see a mosquito pitch for my face and me even react to the mosquito start. Me never know I saw it did serious.
Yo! My own! Listen me now. Listen me now. Whatsoever I feel of an audition, Sparta win it. Go with it, brother. You man the mosquito go with it. Yeah, me tell you. I went to the man say caption. I man say rolling. No, I'm say rolling. Action. See me, you know. I say laugh there, I try to hold it. Every time I look past part of my mosquito scene, brother, but anyways, I already know.